most of my traders bank 100 plus pips. As you can see here, 123 pips my trader made on. You can see this was the trade he made in the morning, but he could have more than 200 pips. But as soon as he done it, he said, I'm done for the day. As you can see, all these trades are 100% based on the analysis which I broadcasted here. Hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful day. Today is the last trading day of the week and the last trading day of the month. What a blessing Friday, guys. Again, most of my traders bank 100 plus pips. I'm going to show you what an amazing volatility today. Let me share with you guys how I help my traders through live intraday analysis to squeeze amazing profit today. As always, if you would like to see all that analysis in real time instead of review, so most welcome. Join my fast growing trader community. Let's dig into the system and let me share with you guys how we enjoy today. As always, if you don't want to miss my latest analysis review in the future, feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's dig into the three major currency pair, EURUSD, pound dollar and dollar CAD. As you can see here, more than 40 analyses. You can see all of them. You can see here, consider banking pips, consider banking pips. We were banking pips where the price goes up and down, but all these trades was 100% based on the technical analysis, based on the price action. All right, so let's dig into the EURUSD. Let me share with you guys. Okay, EURUSD, if you look at the EURUSD, this morning we were expecting here a reversal. As you can see here, price respected, and I explained my trader look for short at this level and then keep taking a pullback short trade here. So we had an amazing trade. We banked really until this, at this level we bank all this move, and we also banking this move now. Let me share with you guys how I analyze all these entries and exit through price action in intraday. All right, so if you look at the intraday analysis, just pay attention guys. I'm going to give you valid technical reason for all these trades. Okay, so look at this one. So we had this long trade here this morning, and after that, once the price hit at the major resistance level, as you can see here at this level, I explained my trader get ready for the short trade here. You can see here the price action and target one on this level. So as you can see here, price developed a double top here. We were in a fourth zone. That's the our intraday system, which explained that the one cycle is finished. In order to price continue, need to retrace. So that's what exactly we use intraday system. We have double top here, price broken, as you can see here after the breakout, taken a short trade here and pull back and pull back. As soon as the price hit to the target level, explain my trader it's time to bank some profit. As you can see here, as soon as I mentioned some bank profit, as you can see price reverse impulsively. But as I said to my trader, our bias is short, so just keep looking any pullback. So again, you can see here price reverse, but we need a valid technical reason. And that's what I explained to my trader. If any pullback or if the price gonna break, just keep taking a short. We're only going to take a long if the price gonna break this level, and then after the break, if the price is going to retest. Otherwise, low short. You can see here short here, short here, short here, short here. Announce all these trades through live audio commentary, banking amazing profit. As soon as the price hit this level, then I said just wait for the price, develop another price action and looking for counter trade here. You can see here after banking this profit, I broadcast another analysis. As you can see, pretty straightforward. Price developed, but the safest way, as you can see here, price nicely broken, failed to break this trend support line, broken, beautiful long trade here. As soon as the price hit this level in intraday, I said to guys, it's time to enjoy. It's going to be too much. We bank amazing profit today. I'm going to show you guys how they bank amazing profit. All right, so pound dollar cable, what an amazing trade guys. So you can see here, so we've been long at the Asian session. We have taken all this benefit and explained to my trader look for once the price is going to reverse at this level. I said to guys, get ready for counter short trade here, and the target would be around this level, So we had such a nice beautiful trade, taking all these short trade here, and then we also have taken a long trade here from here. Or let me share with you all the entries and exit guys. That's what we take it. Enjoy today, really enjoy today. Amazing trade guys. All right, so if you look at here this morning, okay, so this is the analysis at the Asian session. We had before that, this was the analysis yesterday at the New York session. That was the breakout was performed, and I said, guys, now look, pullback. You can see here yesterday we had this beautiful pullback at the Asian session. Once the price hit to the profit target, explain my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit, and let's see if we can get another counter trade here, but with valid technical reason. That's what happened. Price reached to the maximum level, finish one cycle, and I say if we get any other pattern, as you can see here, I explained the point of interest. If the price is going to break, we had a major resistance level, and we have beautiful breakout. After say, guys, any pullback, valid pullback, I announced through live audio commentary, guys, don't miss that opportunity. Squeeze as many as pips. As you can see here, as soon as the price hit this level, explain my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit. But the trader was still carry on banking some profit. Once the price hit to the major support level around 200 EMA in 4 hour, I said to my trader, just get ready for counter. As you can see here, beautiful valid technical reason. You can see here inverted head and shoulder pattern, price broken. After the breakout, price retest. Once the price give us the confirmation, I said to my trader, just grab it with a very tight stop loss and let the price hit. As you can see here, as soon as the price hit to the support resistance level, and that's what I explained my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit. You can see here we had such a nice rally today, both long and short. Same on dollar CAD, beautiful trade on dollar CAD. If you look at the dollar CAD 4 hour chart, we had a short trade here, and this morning we were expecting reversal at this level. And if you look at the price is already developed this pattern here, so we were expecting a reversal at this level. So we had this long trade here, bank some profit. As soon as the price hit this level, we also had a counter short trade here. So let me explain to you both long and short entries. And if you look at the intraday analysis, that was a beautiful trade, guys, beautiful. Especially the dollar yen and the pound yen, my traders, they killed it. Right, so if you look at here, this is the trade at the Asian session, pullback short trade here this morning. I said to trader, bank some profit and let's see if you can get a counter, because if you look at here, we have the falling wedge has been developed, major support level in 4 hour, that give us the information, and another pullback, beautiful. As soon as the price hit to the major support resistance level, explain my trade, it's time to enjoy some profit, and let's see the market reaction. Afterwards, price developed double top here, as you can see here. Then I explained take a short trade here, another pullback short. That's the level. As you can see, as soon as the price hit this level, explain my trade, it's time to enjoy some profit, and let's call for the day. All right, guys, as you can see here, one of my or most of my traders bank 100 plus pips. As you can see here, 123 pips my trader made on. You can see this was the trade he made in the morning, but he could have more than 200 pips. But as soon as he done it, he said, I'm done for the day. As you can see, all these trades are 100% based on the analysis which I broadcasted here. Look at 24, 15, 16, 123 pips. If you look at here, you can see here based on the pullback. And again, this was the based on the analysis, which is just as mentioned you when I mentioned this counter trade this morning. About this one, we announced another pullback. He has taken all these pullback. So you can see, guys, how we enjoyed today banking profit. As always mentioned, you should be watching those analyses in real time and banking profit in real time. Or if you are struggling in forex trading, this is the platform where you can develop your trading skill with the live market in real time. And you can also get funded if you are interested. How I coach and train trader with the live market every single day. I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. My availability calendar link is also given in the video description. Most welcome. Join my fast growing trader community. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening and have a nice weekend, guys. Stay blessed. Until next time, all the best.